knows that, and he was very happy to hear that. And I told him of all the support everywhere in the world, from everywhere in the Philippines and everywhere in
The buffet kit. The buffet for people.
there is a small, hindi naman buffet, pero parang a small, may mga sa labas ng bahay niya in Davao City, the
Okay.
greenhouse.
Yes.
People were able to set up tents there
Yeah.
para for
Napoy TV, ma'am.
Yes, I heard also. I was not able to see it, but I heard. And then may mga vitamins doon. There are snacks for people who want to stay there and watch over his house. So he's very happy and grateful to hear that.
VP, huwag ka naman ba sinisimuli ni PRRD na dahil kasalanan mo kasi to kaya ako nandito dahil nakipag-unite ka sa Marcos?
Wala.
Wala.
Nag-harmonize ka, ma'am.
Ever since.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Oh, ever since, wala siyang
That's nice.
sinabi sa akin na ganyan. Even when I ran for Vice President, ma'am, wala naman talaga siya sinabi. Sinabi lang niya, hindi na ako sasali dyan. At kayo nang magdesisyon yan. Yan lang yung sinabi niya when he was told by one of my siblings that I'm running for Vice President. And wala.
Wala.
Oh.
That's good to know. Thank you.
VP,
I don't remember PRD na naninisi.
Naninisi.
Oo.
Wala.
Never. Kasi I always remember him. I don't know, Kit, with you, but I always remember him when I was growing up. He would always say, you make your own history in this world. So you always answer to your decisions. So I think that is his philosophy as well. So he doesn't blame anyone with what happened. He always says, I did it for my country.
Yes.
He always says,
Repeatedly.
I did it for my country.
The two boys po, are they coming?
The Paulo and Baste,
Yes,
no?
po.
We're talking about Paulo and Baste.
So, there are plans naman. We arrange this pag-aalis yung isa, may dadating na naman na isa. So, as of now, we are arranging all the dates since most of them are busy with the campaign.
VP, pardon me. I understand this is something legal, but we just want to hear your side. Kasi po, sabi po ni Attorney Kaufman, tinatrabaho na raw po yung interim release. Meron pa po ba kayong nakikitang balakid before filing one, or how soon will you file this? At sa Pilipinas niyo po ba gustong ma-release ang... of course, may panawagan kayo na bring him home to the Philippines, to Davao City. But just for the record, we just want to hear if sa Pilipinas niyo po gusto siyang ma-release kasi may sinasabi po yung palasyon. Let me quote,